Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Praveen. So last class we discussed about the IUPAC naming of the cyclic compound we discussed. So in this video we are going to discuss about the topic is called as a naming of the bicyclo and spiro by using of the IUPAC naming. So you can see the bicyclo compound. Later we will discuss about the spiro we will discuss. So bicyclo compound, bicyclo compounds. So here there are the two types of the bicyclo compounds are present. The name itself only it is indicating that the bicyclo in the sense it is joined with the two rings. So two rings are present. Based upon the how they are joining, they are classified into two types. They are classified. So one is called as a fused bicyclic. Second one is called bridge bicyclic compound. Both are bicyclic only, but the way of joining is different. The two rings are joining is different. So you can see here. Here I am taking the one bicyclo compound. Here also I am taking the two cyclic. Here you can see these two rings are joined by the two carbons. They are joined, these two rings are joined by the two carbons. These carbons we are calling it as a bridged carbon. We are calling these two carbon, we are calling it as a bridged carbon we are calling. So these two rings are joined by the two bridge carbon, that's why we are calling it as a fused bicyclo compounds we are calling. So next example you can see. Here you can see, here one carbon, here one carbon. This is the one ring, this is the one ring. So the two rings are joined by the these many carbons, three carbons are there. So these are also called as a bridged carbon only we are calling. So here three carbons are present, here it is called two carbons. So based upon this is called as a fused more than two, we are calling it as a bridged carbons, we are calling bridged cyclo compounds we are calling. So now how we will get name the names. So whenever if you see the fused or bridged cyclo compound, whatever it may be, bridged or cyclo compound, first of all we have to give the number in such a way that the bridged carbon starting the numbering of this should start from the bridge carbon only. How to start, that means either here or here, whatever it may be, you have to start the one carbon only. How to start here also, here or here order, you have to start the number one. That means numbering should start from the bridged carbon, numbering should start from the bridged carbon only. How to start. Second point we have to remember that the numbering should extended towards the highest carbon chain or highest ring should be there. That means here you can see 2 3 4, here 3 4, what it means. So both rings are equal. For example, both rings are not equal, both rings are not equal. In this case how we will give the names. So you can see 2 3 4. For example, only this is only the present. Another, I will take another example. Here I am taking the cyclohexane. I am taking with the cyclohexane. See here, two different type of the rings. They are joined by the two rings. So we have to start with the number from the bridge carbon, one or either one, whatever it may be. I am taking here. You can take here also. You can take. So second rule is the numbering should cover the highest ring should cover the first. Like this, it should not go like this. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the wrong system. The numbering you should have to done in such a way that you should go highest number of the carbons it is extended. Highest number of the carbon also we have to give the number first. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the second rule. Third rule is there, if any functional groups are presented, double bond is presented, they should get the least number they should get. They should get the least locate number you should get. Least number you should get. So here how we will give the name. Here you can start. First of course you use the word bicyclo. Here we have to use the word bicyclo. Just write that there is no suffix is present, there is no prefix is present here. Prefix 2. Bicyclo. How we will give? So these two rings are joined by the 1 and 6 carbon. These two rings are joined by the 1 and 6 carbon. They are joined. So for example, see here, you are present here, you are also there here. You want to go to your friend's home. If you go like this, it will get the, here you will meet the 2 person you will meet. So different path, how many paths are presented? So generally 3 paths will be there in the bicycle. 3 paths should be there. Otherwise if you go like this, okay, you will get the, if you go like this, you will meet the 2 persons. Okay, here 1 and 2. For example, if you want to go like this, how many persons you will meet? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 persons you will meet. If you go like this, 2 persons. Otherwise, if you go straight, 0 persons you will meet here. So here, first you have to write the highest path number. You have to write highest path number 4. Highest path number in the sense how many persons you do? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Followed by the least. How many persons you can meet here? 2. 4, 2, 0. 4, 2, 0. Like that one. Highest to the lowest you can. So how many carbons total? 8. That's why we are writing single carbon saturated. That is called as a octet. Like this we have to give the number. How many paths we have to choose? Generally we will get the 3 paths we will get. Highest number path, middle number path, lowest number path. Left side, right side and opposite side. Like that path we have to choose one. So next you can see that one. Next example. Every example we will discuss the different type of the examples we will discuss. So next one you can see. Here we are taking the bicyclo with the functional group we will take. One functional group. Functional group should get least number. Function should get the least number it should get. What is that one? Ketone. Already we discussed. If you count the carbon containing the function group, what we have to name? Carbon if you not counted the carbon containing the compound, what we have to name also we mentioned in the last video. So now here bridge carbon is there, here bridge carbon is there. So how will you give the number? Of course first you can write the bicycle. First you can give the number. How will you give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this also you can give. But here what? Here it should get the least number it should get. Whatever the functional group is there, it should get the least number. So that means this system should be done. You should not give the number like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should not give. First you should cover the highest ring you should cover. Later you should go to the lowest ring. In this function group should get the lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before it is 8, no, now it is 7. So path you can choose left side, right side, opposite side 0, from 1 2 3 4 4, here 1 2 2 only here. So 4 comma 2 comma 0, what is this? Octane 7 over. Is it correct? First two videos we discussed, suffix to prefix to should not be conjugated, first letter. So we have to drop the first letter, we have to drop it. So octane 7 1. Already we discussed it in the part 2, part 3 we discussed. So next we can see next example like this. Just we have to write the bicycle. First we have to go with the numbers should begin with the bridged carbon, should cover the highest number of the carbon, and in this such a way that function group or double bond should get the least number, it should get the least number. So for example you can see the another example. In this another example, always remember the functional group should get the least number, it should get the least number. So next one, here I am taking CN, you take. See here, you should get the least number. So 1, for example here if I go with the here also 1 2 3, if I start with 1 2 3 4 5 6, of course 7 8, of course you can go like this, but here it is getting 3. Let us see another number. For example if I go 1 2 3 4 5, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6, next jump here 7 8. So CN get the least number. If you go from the left to right, right to left, whatever it may be, you should get the least number. That's why I am choosing this one. Least number should be get. So first of all, you can write bicyclo. So here to here you have to go. Middle, leave it about. Here to here you have to go. If you go straight, opposite, 2 persons you will get. That means 2 rings. Here if you go in between, how many rings? 2 rings. If you go like this, or if you go like this, 1 2 2. So simple. From here to here you have to go. In between, how many carbons are crossing here? Here to here you have to go. How many carbons you are crossing? Here to here you will go. How many carbons you are crossing? How many carbons you are touching? That is all. So 2 comma 2 comma 2, total 8 carbons. So octane. So we will write the octane, we will write. So after that what we will write? Second position, what is there? Nitrile or carbonitrile. We are not counting the carbon here. Here we are not counting the carbon. If you count the carbon, you can use the nitrile, we can use. Carbon containing the functional group, when it is the part in the ring, it is a part in the ring. We should, if you not count, you have to use the carbonitrile, we have to use. Carbonitrile, we have to use the word. If you are not at all the counted one. So next one you can see the spiro compounds. Butyl bicyclic, we are spiro carbons. So they are attached with the 2 or more carbon bicyclic compounds. 2 are here you can see. Spirocarbon. This means 2 rings are joined with the cyclic compounds are joined with the single carbon. So how will you give the name? Here opposite, whatever we are discussing the bicyclo compound, here opposite we have to see. So first choose the bridge carbon. You should not give the number from the bridge carbon. You should give the number from the opposite carbon of the bridge carbon. Opposite carbon. Here in this case, you should choose go with the first cover with the small carbon containing the ring. There we have covered highest carbon containing the ring. For example, if you see the start with the bridge carbon 1, 2, 3. What about this? We are left. That's why we have to start with the opposite of the bridge carbon. Here I am taking the again I am taking better example. So opposite. Here you can take, here you can take, here you can take, here. Here you should not start with the number. Here you should not start with the number. So here I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anywhere if you take same numbers you will get. Okay. Now how we will give the numbers? You can see first bicyclo we have written the bicyclo we have written. Here we have to write the Spiro, we have to write the Spiro. We have to write the Spiro. Same example. Here we have to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 positions. Opposite not there, no? So 2, comma 2. From here you have to go. This path you will go or this path you go. Everywhere you can go now. You are crossing the 2. 2, comma 2. Meet, eth, prop, but, pent. Pentane, pentane, 1 position, 4th position, diene is presented. Diene is presented. So we have to draw this one. We have to draw. Whenever the diene is presented, we have to write the pent. Di is whenever it is written, we have to write the di. Already we discussed this one before we discussed it. So next Spiro example we can see. Spiro compound. 2 rings are joined with the single bridged carbon, that is called Spiro. Here I am taking the ketone group I am taking. So how you will give the number, how will you give? So here bridged carbon, opposite of bridged carbon. Here functional group should give. Here also you can start. Here also you can start. Here also you can. But you should start with the this carbon only. Why? Functional group containing the carbon should get the least number should get. So 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 5 number ring, this is the 6 number ring. First I covered the smallest number ring. So how will you give the number? First you have to write the Spiro. Spiro. Here we have to go. Like this you can go, or like this you can go. If you go with to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 carbons you can cover, 5th carbons you can cover. There how you written? Highest to the least we have written. Here least to the highest we have to written. This is least number to the highest number. 4, comma 5. Bicyclo in the sense 5, comma 4 you can written highest to lowest. But here we have to written least to the highest. 4, comma 5. How many carbon? 4. Decane. 1 on is presented. E should be dropped. Okay, like this you can do. So next example you can see another type of the example. Here 2 function group we are taking. One Spiro we have taken. So here I am taking the COOH in this position. In this position I am taking the CHO. I am taking. So whenever if you see the 2 functional group, 1 functional group, high priority order functional group get the of course least number, and one only become the suffix, another will become the prefix 2 will become. We know that. In this which will become the suffix 2, which will become the prefix 2. Suffix to COOH, high priority order. Prefix to this one, so this should get the least number. Both the rings are same, no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Why I have came here? Otherwise if you go 5 6 7, it should get the highest number. But whatever the branches is there, whatever the substituent is there, whatever the function group is there, it should get the least number, it should get. So now give the name. First we have to write the Spiro, we have to write. But before, what is there? Prefix is there. Prefix you have to mention. What is it? Here we are not counting the carbon containing the carbon group. So here we have to write the prefix. Now it is the prefix. So we have to write 5-formyl Spiro. 5-formyl Spiro. Here you have to come 1 2 3 1 2 3. In this position you have to reach, or in this position you have to reach to here. So 3 comma 3, what is this? Total 7 carbon. Heptane, one position what is there? One position COOH is there here. Carboxylic acid or oic acid? Carboxylic acid. Why? Because we are not counting the carbon containing the functional group. Numbering we are not. If you count the number, you have to give it as a oic acid we have to give. But here we are not at all counting the function group. So now you can see the some of the previous IIT NEET examinations questions you can see. Of course it is there in the answer. So how will you give? So what is this? Phenyl. You can write as a benzyl. So benzyl chloride or benzene carbonyl chloride. Benzene carbonate, C double bond O. Okay. So next you can see another example. Previous questions only. Here I am taking the OH, I am taking. Here I am taking the 2 methyl groups I am taking. So how can you write? So you should get the least number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should not go with 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever if you go with the like this, automatically what will happen? You should get the highest number. It should get the least number. Functional group and branched carbon should get the least number. Should get. So how can you write? First prefix 3 comma 3 dimethyl. 3 comma 3 dimethyl. So how many ring system? 6 carbons ring system is there. So we can write hexane, one position hole is there. So E should be dropped. Hexane, one hole. Why we have to drop the E also already we discussed. In the part 2 only we discussed. So next one you can see. What is its name? 1, 2, 3. Second position 2 comma 2 dimethyl, what is this? Propane. Dimethyl propane is there. So next one, whenever if you see the double bond, should get the least number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is changed into 3 comma 3 dimethyl but 1 in. Butene also you can write but 1 in. Better if you mention the 1 in, 2 in, that is only the correct way. We have to mention 1 in or 2 in, you have to mention. So you should not go with the start with the number here. Double bond or functional group should branch should get the least number. That's why I have written the name there. I have written. So next example you can see. Just now I said double bond should get the least number. So 1, 2, 3 or 4. So third position methyl group is present. One position double bond is present. So how can you name? 3 methyl meth prop but 1 but 1 you can write like this. So next example we can see. Next example. Next example you can see. So here, how will you give the name? That's why here mention the double bond. You should mention double bond should get the least number. You can start with the here also 1, 2, 3, whatever it may be. But here it should get the least number. It should get. That's why here I am starting with the numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Immediately 6, 7, 8, 9, it is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how will you give? 5 comma 6th position. Sorry, we forget this one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here methyl group is present. Here also methyl group is present. So 5 comma 6 dimethyl. 5 comma 6 dimethyl. Total how many carbons? 10 carbons. So deck. So what position it is presented in the third position is presented. So it is called 3E. So like that you can write the example. Next one. Write the formula for succinic acid. Succinic acid. So here see, simple COOH dicarboxylic lyoic acid. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4 here we are counting the functional group we are counting. So now you can write butane, 4 carbon is there. 1 comma 4 position 2 vols are present. That's why I have written it as a diol. I have written it as a diol. So next example you can see amine is presented. Already we discussed about the amine, we have discussed. So we can see the some of the example we can see. For example, NH amine is there. We have to see the how many number of the carbons are attached to the directly to the amine. Based upon this only we get called as a primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine and quaternary amine. Already we discussed in the degree of the carbons. That time we have discussed the OH, amine, different type of the groups we are discussing. So he can give the number 1, 2, 3. So if you see like this, whenever the nitrogen having the one methyl group, so that time you have to write N methyl. That means nitrogen having the methyl, amine having the methyl group. N methyl propane. First position what is there? Amine is there. Amine containing the methyl you have to mention first. You should not write methyl. N methyl you have to mention the amine methyl you have to mention. That means you are indicating that the methyl is attaching to the which carbon, whether it is a carbon or a nitrogen. That only we have to mention. For example, if the methyl containing the 2 methyl, that means what? N comma N, that means 2 amine. 2 methyl are presented at the attached to the N methyl group. N comma N dimethyl position we can write 1 2 ethane 1 amine. First position amine is presented. First you have to see methyl group is presented. It is attached to the carbon. If it is attached to the carbon, no need to mention. Just mention the number you have to mention. First position or second position or third position. It is attached to the amine group. It is attached. We have to mention particularly. It is attached to the amine. So if I mention n methyl, that means only one methyl. N comma n, that means two n's is repeated in the sense two amines are presented. Here it is presented. So for example, three amines are presented. How can you write? We can write the triple n. We can write the triple by n. For example, you can see that one. Two n we have written. We can take the different example. We can take. So n. So what is this methyl? What is this ethyl? It is there. 1, 2, 3. So first, which will come? Methyl will come or ethyl will come. As per the alphabetical order, ethyl will come. In the amine, one ethyl is present. One ethyl, one methyl. You have to write individually. You have to write n ethyl, n methyl. You have to write immediately. So what is this? Meth is propane. Propane. One position amine is presented. One position what is there? One position amine is presented. Amine. So just how to drop it. Okay. So next one. Next example you can see. Here Br is present. Here Cn is present. Here OH is present. So automatically priority order goes to Cn only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you write like this is the wrong. Why? Because in the alphabetical order, bromine B will come first when compared to the Ola hydroxy. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One only will become the suffix to remaining function group will become a prefix. So how will you write? Second position bromo is presented. Why we have to write the bromo? Alphabetical order, B only will come first. Alphabetical. 2 bromo, 5 hydroxy. What is this total? Cyclohexane 1. Nitrile or carbonitrile? Hexane, carbonitrile. We should not write the nitrile. Why? Because we are not counting the carbon containing the function group. We are not counting. That way we have to write it. We should not write it as a nitrile. So next one you can see the anhydride. How to give the names of the anhydride? Anhydride also very important. Anhydride is nothing but the C double bond O, O C double bond O. This is the structure anhydride. So now we will give the how we will give the name for the anhydride. Anhydride. So double bond O, C double bond O, C double bond O. This is only called as a anhydride we are calling. So generally what will happen? First, whenever we are returning the first we have to write as a small chain we have to write, and next one you can go to the long one you have to write. While naming the also small chain you have to write small chain. For example, ethane is there, ethane is there, it said propane is there. Ethane and propane we should repeat it. So this means it will separate this part, it is separating this part also, it is separating. So for example, this how can you write? 1, 1, 2. This one part. Next one, this one part. 1, 2. Both are similar. So you can write, generally you can write as a ethanoic anhydride you can write. But if you write the no need to, if there are the similar number of the chains are attached to the oxygen hydrated, no need to write. profile, butyl, no need to write. You have to mention only one thing. You have to mention when it is the similar type of the groups are presented, similar number of the groups are presented either side of the oxygen. You have to know. So you can write a ethanoic anhydride. Only one only you have to mention. No need to mention the ethyl propyl ethanoic. No need to mention. No need to mention the names numbering also. No need to mention. So next example you can see double bond O, double bond. Here 1 2 3 1 2. See here, this side what is there? Ethanoic is there. This side what is this? Propanoic is there. Ethanoic or propanoic. First we have to write the small chain containing the carbon. So ethanoic. Here you have to mention 2 times. Why? Because both are different chains. No. Ethanoic, propanoic, anhydride. You should not write as a propanoic, ethanoic anhydride. You should not write. You should write as a ethanoic, propanoic anhydride. No need to mention the first ethanoic, first propanoic. No need to mention. No need to mention the numbers. No need to mention. Just you have to remember that the first we have to choose the least number of the carbons containing the group we have to choose. Next one, highest carbon containing the group we have to choose. Propanoic, ethanoic anhydride. That is the wrong. Ethanoic, propanoic anhydride only. That is the correct. Least to the highest we have to follow the system we have to follow. So next one you can see. Here oxygen C double bond O. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Means is prop. This is called butanoic. How can you write? Propanoic, butanoic anhydride or butanoic, propanoic anhydride. Least number. Propanoic, butanoic anhydride. That means what? In between the propane, in between the propanoic, in between the butanoic, anhydride is present. C double bond. C. That means where we have to give the connecting of the oxygen. Here only we are mentioning the oxygen. Next one. What happens if only single oxygen is presented? That is called as a epoxy or oxidant. Epoxy or oxidant. When we have to use the word epoxy, when we have to use the word oxidant. When we have to use the word epoxy, when we have to use the word oxidant. That is also we'll discuss. So here 1 2 3, one chain is there. Here oxygen is presented. Oxygen having double bond. No, the oxygen is presented. So oxygen is presented. So here should not here I will discuss epoxy or oxidant where we have to write. Now I will discuss about the epoxy. If you choose, of course you have to choose the highest chain only you have to choose. Whenever if you are counting at that time you are not counting the oxygen. Whenever you are counting that time you are not counting the oxygen. You have to mention the epoxy. You have to mention. You have to mention the epoxy. You have to mention. So this is the one carbon. This is the one carbon. Here I am not giving the number for the oxygen. I am not giving. So oxygen is presented at the first carbon, oxygen is presented at the second carbon. Oxygen form a bond with the first carbon, oxygen form with the second carbon. Here we have to write the both the carbon which are connecting with the oxygen. That number we should mention. We should not write as a 2 epoxy propane, should not write. So oxygen is connected with the how many carbon it is connected, we have to mention. First step is how many carbon it is connected. 2 carbon. What are they? For position 1, 2 epoxy Propane or butane, pentane, hexane. What is this? Propane. Epoxy. When we will mention the first rule, whenever you are giving the numbering, if you are not give the number to the oxygen in a ring, you should not use the word oxygen. You should use the word epoxy. You have to use the word. How many root word you can know, but how many carbons it is presented, what position also you should write in here. That's why 1 2, for example, it is presented in the 3 or 4, that time you have to write 3 or 4 also we will write. So we will see the next example. Second example we can see 1 to highest number we have to take. Here I am not giving the oxygen to oxygen. I am not giving any number, whether it is the 2, whether it is the 3, I am not giving any number, because I want to write as a epoxy, no. So that's why you have to written is as second position, third position, epoxy is present. So it is called as a butane. For example, here it is mentioned 5 6 7 meth, eth, prop, but, penta, hexane, octane, nonane, decane, like that we can write one. Next one, for example, any halogens are presented. How will you write? Epoxy we are writing in the sense we are not giving the number to the this one. How will you give the number? Same alphabetical order. After the B only C will come the. So bromine containing the carbon will get the least number 1 2. So one position bromo is present, alphabetical order. Everything we have to remember in one. So 2 chloro 1 comma 2 epoxy ethane. That's it. Epoxy ethane. Same. We are counting, you are giving the number to the oxygen or not, that is the important. For example, if I want to give the number to the oxygen, see 1 2 3. Here I am mentioning the oxygen number. I am mentioning. Whenever you are giving the number to the oxygen, you should not use the word epoxy. You should use the word oxygen. You have to use the word 1 2 3. Here what position? Methyl will come. So 2 methyl. Within the ring only you should follow. The highest number of the rings, highest number of the carbons, 2 methyl. Oxygen, no need to mention 1 oxygen, no need to mention 2 oxygen, 3 oxygen. Already you are telling that it is a oxygen. That means what? You are giving the numbers. Next one, here oxygen 1 2 3. That means what? 2 comma 3 dimethyl oxygen. 2 comma 3 dimethyl oxygen. That's it. For example, in place here I mentioned the bromine, here I mentioned the chlorine. So now how will you write? 2 bromo 3 chloro oxygen. Simple. If you are counting the, if you are giving the number, if you are counting the oxygen, if you are not counting the oxygen, epoxy, if you are counting the oxygen, that is oxygen. So this is about the IUPAC naming of the system. Next video we will explain about the isomerism. We will explain. So thank you for watching the video.